Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Draw the lines with black color sketch pen using scale. Now draw the small flowers on the four corner sides of the paper. Now draw the small diamond shaped boxes on the four sides of the paper. Do you have any doubts regarding sketches and border? Message on Instagram, the link given in the description box, and follow the Instagram. Fill the space around the diamond shaped boxes with the red color brush pen on the paper. Fill the flower with yellow color brush pen. Fill the space around the flower with green color brush pen. Fill the diamond shaped boxes with pencil. Draw the lines with black color sketch pen using the scale. The sketches that are using the link given in the description box. Please like the video, share it, comment it and subscribe it. Here using sky blue color brush pen. Fill the boxes with sky blue color pencil. Draw the small circles using protractor. Fill the circles with sky blue color pencil.